Docker Compose is a tool for defining and running multi-container applications on Docker, defined using the Compose file format. In this tutorial, I will show how to install Docker Compose on Linux-based operating system Ubuntu. Let's start by opening your favorite web browser and browse this URL docs.docker.com/compose install. Okay. On Linux system, first install Docker Engine before installing Docker Compose. You can test it whether Docker Engine is installed or not using this command on terminal. Open terminal by pressing at the same time Ctrl-Alt-T. Okay, now type this command with sudo privilege sudo docker version. Enter your admin password. Okay. If you don't have installed it already in your system, you will find a link in video description how to install Docker Engine on Ubuntu. Now click on Linux tab. Okay. By this instruction, you will be able to install Compose on Linux system. You can download the Docker Compose binary from Compose repository page on GitHub following this link, or you can download it directly using curl command in terminal. Copy this command. Okay. Now hit enter. The Docker Compose will be downloaded to user local bin directory with a name docker-compose. Okay. To install a different version of Compose, substitute 1.29.2 with the version of Compose you want to use. If you have problems installing with curls, see alternate install option tab above, or apply executable permissions to the binary. So copy this command to terminal. Okay, now hit enter. If the command docker compose fails after installation, check your path. You can also create a symbolic link to user bin or any other directory in your path. I am going to create a symbolic link to user bin with this command using terminal. Okay. Now test the installation. Copy this command. Okay. Docker Compose version 1.29.2 installed successfully. If you like this video, give a like for this video, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.